What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly straight, freehand cuts in dimensional lumber using a circular saw. I'm making a railing to sit on for this raised garden bed right here, and in order to make that railing, I need to cut a 2x4 at exactly 51¼ inches. And to do that, we would set our 2x4 down on a level surface. We would pull our tape measure across until we got to 51¼ inches, and then we would put a dot right at the top and right at the bottom. Then we would draw a connecting line and we would cut down the board. Now, if you had a table saw, it would be very easy to make a perfectly straight cut with that piece of dimensional lumber. But let's say you don't feel like walking multiple pieces of lumber back and forth to your table saw, or you're like me and you don't own a table saw and all you have is a hand circular saw. Well, if I were to take this saw and just freehand it across that line, I probably would do an okay job, but it would be a little bit crooked. It wouldn't be perfectly straight. Well, that is where these speed squares come in handy. These are possibly the greatest tools ever to make quick, perfectly straight cuts with a circular saw freehand every single time. So we are going to take our small speed square to connect those two dots, and we're going to use a permanent marker to adjoin the two dots into a perfectly straight line. We will simply use the speed square itself as a makeshift mobile cutting guide instead of setting up some kind of jig or something. So we're just going to take the lip that's built into the speed square, we're going to press that up against the back of the lumber. We're going to line our saw blade up with that line that we made, and then we are going to turn on the saw and we are going to run the circular saw along the side of the speed square. And that is going to give us the straight cut that we were looking for. So now our 2x4 has been perfectly cut, so it's sized exactly the way we want it to be. Now we are going to secure this 2x4 to the raised bed by pre-drilling and installing our screws so we have a nice seat to sit on. And if you find your saw blade left the edges a little bit rough, we'll just take our sander and smooth everything out. I'll place a link down in the video description to these speed squares. They come in a 2-pack. They are just awesome and super high quality. The small speed square is perfect for 2x4s and 2x6s, and the large speed square is perfect for 2x8s and 2x10s. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.